AI stole the show at Super Bowl 2026. From ads created by AI itself to companies promoting their latest AI products, this year proved one thing: AI isn't just a tool, it's the star. Before we dive in, like, subscribe, and comment. Are you excited or worried about AI taking over ads? Svedka went bold with its 30-second Shake Your Bots Off, featuring Fembot and Brobot dancing at a human party. AI handled the visuals, humans handled the story, and Silverside helped make it happen. It got people talking and divided opinions on AI in creativity. Anthropic threw shade at OpenAI, joking that ads were coming to AI, but not to Claude. OpenAI's Sam Altman called it clearly dishonest, sparking a nerdy Super Bowl feud. Meta showed Oakley AI glasses in action. Amazon had Chris Hemsworth comically battling Alexa Plus, and Ring highlighted its AI-powered search party for lost pets. Google unveiled its Nano Banana Pro image generation AI. RAMP featured Brian Baumgartner multiplying himself with AI automation, and Wix introduced Wix Harmony, promising websites as easy as chatting with a friend. The takeaway? AI is no longer experimental. It's a competitive commercial tool across industries. If your business isn't using AI strategically, you're already behind. If you found this breakdown helpful, like, subscribe, and comment. Don't just watch the AI wave, ride it. And check out the related video in the corner to see practical ways AI can transform your business.